Hi friends, my name is Katkam Sampath Kumar. Now I am working in UAE, United Arab Emirates, Ajman. My company name is All and Fast Building Material Trading Co. Company address: New Industrial Area, Paniwala Road, Unisite Liquor Store beside Ajman. Tianjin Gold Bridge, Tianjin Golden Bridge Flux code, MIG welding wire. We have two types: JQ.YJ501-1, AWS A5.20 E71T-1C, made in China. We have two types of MIG welding wire flux code. One size is 1.2 mm flux core welding wire, net weight is 15 kg. Second size is 1.6 mm flux core welding wire, net weight is 15 kg. Approved by CCS, LR, BV, ABS, DNV, NK, KR, RS, RINA, BKI and TUV, DB 42.133.04. We have two types of flux core. One is 1.2 mm, second one is 1.6 mm flux cores. This selling. Two types of flux cores, MIG wires, 15 kg. One is 1.2 flux core MIG wire, and second one is 1.6 flux core MIG wires, 15 kg net weight. Flux core welding wires, 15 kg MIG, 1.2 flux core and 1.6 flux core, 15 kg. Approved by CCS, LR, BV, ABS, DNV, NK, KR, RS, RINA, BKI and TUV, DB 42.133.04.